Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Gdoom. So today we're going to be making yogurt and fruit parfait. I so much love this. Some persons can take parfait as snack. For me, parfait is a full meal because it's so filling. I can't even imagine myself like taking something else after parfait, or taking parfait after having my normal or my main meal. So let me know in the comment section what parfait means to you and how you enjoy it. Here are the fruits I'm going to be using. Though you can play around with the fruit, it mustn't be this. So I have my apples, I have my strawberries, I have my grapefruits. I am not really a fan of banana in parfait, but my husband and kids, they enjoy parfait with banana. They like banana, so that's why I'm going to include banana in this parfait. So I'm going to be washing all this so that we can begin. Hold on a bit. Have you subscribed to this channel? What are you waiting for? Please do well to subscribe if you haven't done so. Guys, the way I make my parfait, my husband and kids always ask for more. My son will always ask me, "Mommy, are you cooking parfait for me?" So here are the complete ingredients we need for this parfait. Now, this is one thing that I do that make my parfait stand out. I'll show you. If you look at these yogurts, like this is strawberry, it's going to add a bit of color to it. Though this didn't really come out as I wanted it. Now this is pineapple. I use different flavors. This is vanilla. So what I do is I layer, as in I put all these in layers. From enjoying the flavor of strawberry or pineapple, you go into another flavor, stuff like that. Like, it's, I don't know how to describe it, guys. You should understand what I'm talking about. So that's one thing that makes it, that unique. Why am I even giving you guys this expo?
Another thing I do if I'm using thick yogurt for my parfait is to add water and some lemon juice. I use it to thin it out because I don't like thick yogurt and I don't like my parfait to be dry or thick. In some cases, I add honey if I notice that the sweetness dropped after I added the water and the lemon juice. That's if I really want to enjoy sweet yogurt parfait. But if I'm making just plain, like using unsweetened yogurt, there is no need for honey. I just go with the water and the lemon juice while thinning it out.
I think we are good. Can you see? It's lighter. It's a bit light, so it can spread in our cup. I'll just strain with some water. My husband likes this, so I'm going to use this one for his own, maybe like for 2 cups. Now I'm going to be using this granola for the remaining ones. Roasted cashew nuts. So we'll go again with our yogurt. You make sure that at the top you have all the ingredients, like you have every. Guys, our parfait is ready.